Hey guys, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial on my usually school, staying home, chilling makeup. And let's start. First thing I use is Gush waterproof eyeliner. Mine is just plain black, it's called Black Ink. My tip isn't totally pointy anymore, it's just like it's soft. Start by making a line. Like this, and then go ahead and make like lines over the line. And I'm not going to fill it out here, just like this, and then like make it finished. But eyes please. You can also like start up here, but it's easier to make a line and then create more lines. And fill up here like this. Then color your waterline. And then the other waterline too. Then take the pencil, eyeliner thing, and then create a line under the eye too. And make it stop like right there. Then just apply eyeliner till you go like, and then you can see these small wrinkles right there. Just color them out. I got those wrinkles and that's mine. And then like make the line, make the eyeliner connect, and do the same on the other eye. If you got a little too much eyeliner, just like and make sure that's like so. I go so here, like, and this is just, it's actually a painting brush for small paints like that one, but I just cut it over in half. It's not that beautiful, but it's like thick, and that's what I want. And then I'll take a black eyeshadow, it's black, this one, with gold sparkles in. I'll just use the gold sparkles because they're like, it's not a cold tone, it's a warmer than the one with the silver sparkles. Then just use, you can see this like big, and then like just set the eyeliner. Both eyes. And then just take the end and like, so it's just this little, and then go ahead and like blend it all up, so it's got those thin lines, and you can just like set under outline too. So, and corner liner, you don't want like this corner lines. So, and then do the same with the other eye. I'll just add a little more setting to that one. The reason why I'm not using my makeup brush for this part is because it's like that got flat, and this like, and that's what like I'm just using this. It's also acrylic brush, I guess. No, that's the wrong one. What the hell is my... Oh, not Swain. No Swain. I'm sorry for say. Where the hell? I'm sorry. But because I can't find anything else right now, I'll just use this one. It's a teeny tiny brush, and then like this is totally white eyeshadow with some shine in it, and then like apply it here and apply a lot. It has to be totally white because this is part that open your eyes. Make sure only it's like on this bow and not like down here, because then it would just have the wrong effect. So I'm not using mascara because my eyelashes are pretty big, but you can use mascara or what you want. So bye, thanks for watching, I love you. You can just use this. It's pretty easy when you like done it 100 times. And it's quick. It could be worse. And I'm not using any facial makeup because I don't think I need that. But I'm usually using a blue lip gloss to end the look. But it's in my skull bag. I say skull. Skull. I don't know what it's called. I always like say it wrong, but yeah. And bye again. I just want to talk to you guys.